Hi guys, this is Phil with Seachoice. Today I want to talk about our new boat anchor drum winches and why they're an excellent choice for recreational boaters. But before we get into the features and benefits, let's take a look at the lineup. We offer two series of drum winch. This is a double S model, which has a 3/16 stainless steel drum, motor casing, and an alloy gearbox. This is a triple S Deluxe model, which is made all of 3/16 stainless steel, including the gearbox. The double S series has 4 models to fit boats from 18 to 33 feet or anchors from 22 to 55 pounds. And the Deluxe series has 5 models to fit boats up to 50 feet or anchors up to 88 pounds. Most of our winches are available in a kit, which includes the recommended lengths and diameters of double braid rope and chain, a guide roller, and backing plate. And all of our winches come standard with the necessary electrical components like an up-down switch, a solenoid, and circuit breaker. Now, let's talk about the features and benefits. First, the stainless steel construction means these winches are designed to provide the highest resistance to corrosion for years of safe and reliable use. Plus, they are rated IP68 against dust and water intrusion, so you don't have to worry about salt spray getting into your motor and gearbox. Secondly, the motor is quiet yet powerful enough to stay locked in place, so you don't have to tie off the rope after deploying the anchor. And thirdly, all the items in the kits have been properly sized and matched to each winch model, so you won't have to guess the right length and diameter of rope and chain to get. We've done all that for you. Finally, our drum winches offer several key advantages over traditional winches or windlasses. First, drum winches provide tangle-free performance. When the anchor is fully retrieved, the rope and chain stay nice and neat on the drum. On the other hand, a windlass needs an anchor locker below it, where the rope and chain are stored. If the rope and chain become tangled in the locker, the windlass will jam, and by the time you clear it, you've drifted off your fishing spot. Also, windlasses take only a specific size of chain, so if you need to go to a bigger chain, you may also need to go to a bigger windlass. But because of the simple barrel design of our drum winches, you can easily upgrade to a bigger chain if you need to. And probably the biggest advantage of our drum winches is the installation flexibility they give you. You see, the gearbox flange can be unbolted so that the motor rotates freely around the shaft. There are 12 positions available on the flange, which means you can mount the winch base horizontally, vertically, or at an angle. This means that as long as the center of the shaft is in line with the bow of the boat, the drum winch can be mounted virtually anywhere, in an anchor locker, below deck, or above deck. Although we strongly recommend your drum winch be installed by a marine professional, we do provide an installation manual complete with schematics and diagrams for the do-it-yourselfer. We also offer some excellent accessories like the electronic fast fall system, which drops the anchor twice as fast. It's fully electronic with no clutch or moving parts, and it's retrofittable. And of course, we have a fixed angle bow roller, hawse pipe, and 3-way anchor swivel, all made from 3/16 stainless steel for years of reliable use. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please type them in the comments below. And for more information or to find a Seachoice dealer near you, please visit seachoice.com.